Today we are going to study about training and its few types. Just a second. First, understand what is training. So, we all know what the basic meaning of training is, but to write in the exam, you have to write some good words. Then, training constitutes a basic concept in human resource development. Okay, the HRD. It is concerned with developing a particular skill to a desired standard by instruction and practice. Okay, we need to develop our skill through someone's instruction and by doing practice by ourselves. Training is a highly useful tool that can bring an employee into a position. Okay, through training only our promotion is done in our any job profile where the job is done correctly, effectively, and conscientiously. Training is the act of increasing the knowledge and skill of an employee for doing a particular job. So you can divide this in a few parts. For example, till practice, then from training to consciously, then here you get 3 points to write. Now moving forward to its various types which are most famous. First is the programmed instruction. Programmed instruction doesn't work without self-discipline. So if it is most effective in cases when someone straying from the program isn't detrimental to the company's success, even so this is an effective and flexible practice. Means in program instruction, the work and effort has to be given by us and we should be disciplined enough. Second is the role model. Like if I say one role play is going on or one lecture has been framed in which you have assigned some work, then this is role modeling. This is the counterpart of the lecture training method, one that promotes practice on lifelike model. It's often used in cases when employee needs some practice after they see a lecture or demonstration. After reading the theory, you have to do the practical work. Role play. From the word itself, you can know that role play is the task. Role play is the situation assigned to them in which you have given various type of position and then you have to act your role as it is. With role playing, trainees can practice what they have learned in a personalized and stimulated situation. Okay, this is what I told you in a simple words. They can still fail, but with good content and safe role playing, and there won't be any serious consequences. Role play is one of the easiest thing to understand what the work has to be done in a particular job profile. If I say we have planned a business, then various role plays has been given to various trainees. Like one has been granted as HR, another as manager, and then the one as CS computer engineer, then one is given position of CEO. So this is for you guys to understand in a very simple manner what the task you have to do. Most important types of training is internship and job rotation. That's why I've taken it at the last. Internship, we all know internships are great for both sides. Employers can benefit from the help of the employees, whereas employees is getting benefit by taking guidance and learning day by day from their heads. ठीक है. Still, in some cases, this can be a high pressured or inconsistent. Means if the internship has not been set well, then internship can go wrong also. But you have to first frame like how your internship has to be, conducted. Then it will really help you a lot. So internship was great for both the sides. Employee can benefit from the help of the employees, while employers can also be benefit from the guidance of the trainee employers. Still, in some cases, this can be high pressure or inconsistent. This is what I told you. However, in situations and environments where the learners have some basic knowledge and the employers are supportive and understanding, this is an excellent training method. Because if both the parties are understanding the situation of each other and doing their work very easily, then it can become good. Next is job rotation. They can do a lot in terms of employee motivation and commitment. This method gives people chances to further develop and work towards a promotion and endanger satisfaction and cooperation. Still, for introverts, means who are not so social enough, this is often a big challenge because of the fear that they might fail in front of others. Also, it's a method that requires a lot of time and room for error. But with the right background knowledge, both of these problems can be eliminated at least or a reduced period of time. So this is what I have for you. We are doing some basic topics, like the previous video was based on, one was on Maslow theory, this one is on training and its type. ऐसे कई सब टॉपिक्स जो आते रहते हैं, जो सब टॉपिक्स जो एग्ज़ाम में पूछे ही जाते हैं, उस पर हम लोग शॉर्ट वीडियो बनाएंगे। बिकॉज जो 12th का कोर्स था वो डिटेल इनफ स्ट्रक्चर में तो पूरा अपलोड कर दिया गया है। अभी ये शॉर्ट टॉपिक्स हम लोग देख रहे हैं। तो कमेंट मी बिलो इन द सेक्शन कि आपको कौन सा ऐसा जो शॉर्ट टॉपिक है जिस पे आपको वीडियो चाहिए, जो हम आपको ला के दें ताकि आपका कुछ फ़ायदा हो सके। ऑल्सो गाइज वी आर ट्राइंग टू रीच 1K of subscriber. It will be helpful enough if you guys subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Me signing off.